If you want to open Evernote quickly on your computer or in your browser, this video will walk you through it step by step. I'm going to show you the desktop method on Windows and Mac, and then the web method if you prefer to use Evernote online. This is a simple tutorial, but if you've ever been stuck trying to find the app, this will make it easy. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's cover how to open Evernote on desktop. If you're using Windows, click the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you're on a Mac, open the Applications folder. Once that opens, use the search bar or browse through your apps and type Evernote. You should see the Evernote app appear in the results. Click Evernote to launch it. If this is your first time opening it, or if you've been signed out, Evernote may ask you to sign in. Just enter your email and password, then continue to your account. If Evernote doesn't show up right away, don't worry. Sometimes the app is installed, but the search takes a moment to find it. Try typing the full name, Evernote, and make sure you're searching in the correct place. On Windows, you can also check the list of installed apps. On Mac, you can open Launchpad or the Applications folder and look for the Evernote icon there. Once you click it, the app should open within a few seconds. Now let's talk about opening Evernote on the web. This is helpful if you're on a shared computer or if you don't want to install the desktop app. Start by opening your web browser such as Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, go to Evernote's website. Once the page loads, click Log In. If the page feels slow, give it a few moments to fully load before typing anything. That can help avoid errors or missing buttons. After you click Login, enter your email and password. If you use single sign-on or a Google login, follow the prompts on the screen. Once you're signed in, Evernote will open your account in the web app, and you can access all of your notes from there. You can create new notes, search through old ones, and keep working just like you would in the desktop version. If you run into trouble, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is working if you're using the web version. If the desktop app won't open, check whether it needs to be updated. If you forgot your password, use the password reset option on the sign-in screen. And if you're switching between devices, make sure you're logging into the same Evernote account so your notes stay synced. So that's how to open Evernote on desktop and on the web. It only takes a few steps once you know where to look. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more Evernote tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.